What's going on? All right, a little Forex update. It's been a while. I've been trading. Things have been going well, but just been cruising. Not a lot of trades, but good returns. So, yeah, hope trading's been going well for you guys. I'm just looking at AU here. I'll just go through a couple of pairs. Pretty much with AU, what we have here is we've got this sort of ending pattern. It's getting weaker by the day. And we had a bit of a double top here that we took out. We may or may not take the high. We may get a big move down, and I'll show you what I mean with what I think DXY is going to do. But Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar, they don't really correlate. They're not the inverse of DXY so much as EU and GU, sort of more aligned that way. So we may just correct here, but as you can see, we've hit that 2-hour EL. It's also the 1-to-1 here of this correction in here. So sitting on that, I am short from about here. I'm looking to get one more tag low, and then probably a correction upwards. But I'm looking to potentially take out these and take profit on that. But we are at that bigger. Get rid of that. This 12-hour EL here, so a good retest of that, and we've been making that sort of see the bearish divergence here. We've been making that sort of top around that area. So yeah, I think a bigger move down is coming on AU. Looking for sells on the mid time frame. The Dixie. So yeah, we got that move on DXY we're looking for, and it's moved up. So I was looking at potentially having a flat, and I said, but if we get a correction, I'm looking for more upside, and we held that EL, and yeah, got that big move up, shorted EU, worked out well. Let's have a look on the higher time frame. So yeah, I was looking at it coming down here, but I don't think we're gonna get straight there. I think if we're gonna go down there, then we're gonna be looking more something like that, up and then down. So yeah, I'm basically looking for I'm looking for this move down on DXY to end pretty soon, and give us a big move up. Probably something like that, and then up. So a bit of a run and flat in there, something like that. That's probably what I'm looking at for the Dixie. Whoopsies. What else? GU is looking good. Jesus, is that? Lovely little retest of that EL. I don't know. I just didn't look at the big time frame, so I missed that on GU, which was a shame. Last night, I was tired as hell, and I was looking at this, and I went, "Oh look, there's the EL." I just didn't get there in time. I went to bed when I was doing around here. We had a perfect little retest and a beautiful sell-off. What's that? 80 pips or something. So just looking for those easy setups, guys. It's a beauty. GU, we've got that liquidity grab there, expansion leg low, but we need more here. All right, we got 230. We need to get down here. We need to get down a little couple of dips deeper before we get the move up, and that might coincide with that move up on DXY, finishing that flat off, and then this will shoot up for that last leg down on DXY and get a nice move up on this, a nice top for the big sell. Yeah, I think that'll do. I think it's good for now. That's me. All right. for what it's worth. Cheers.